Today I'm making creamy ramen noodles from scratch, straight from the package. As you can see, I have a pan right here, and it is a dirty pan. And the reason why I'm using a dirty pan is because it has a lot of flavoration. I just cooked something in there like 10 minutes ago, and I'm going to use it for flavoration. As you can see, I'm adding water to the pan, and I'm going to turn the pan on high to bring the pan water to a boil. Absolute goodness. After it comes to a boil, I'm going to take the package of creamy ramen chicken noodle flavor, all right, and I'm going to pull out the block of ramen noodles, and I'm going to place the ramen noodles inside of the pan and pull out the package of seasoning and place it aside, and as well as eat the crunchies. They taste great. Absolute goodness, if you ask me. Absolute goodness. After the water comes to boil and you add the ramen noodles to the pot or pan, whichever one that you have, you're going to stir the ramen noodles up just like so, making sure that all the ramen noodles gets inside of the water so that it is cooked completely to al dente. Absolute goodness. After about 3 minutes of cooking it in the pan to get al dente, you're going to take the ramen noodles and stir them a little bit more. And then add the seasoning. Do you see this? I'm going to add seasoning to the ramen noodles just like this. This is the creamy ramen noodle flavor seasoning. Very delicate taste for people with delicate palates. And you're going to stir it in, turn off the pan, and stir in the ramen noodles with the seasoning package to make sure that all of the noodles get permeated by the flavoration of the packet of ramen noodles. After that, you're going to take the pan and pour the contents, which is ramen noodles, into a nice sized bowl. And then you're going to eat it. Absolute goodness, if you ask me. Absolute goodness.